In this lesson, we are going to read through the topic, proving the method you use works every time. It is one of the topics in the template food control plan. This is one of the magenta-colored cards in the making and cooking section of the plan and is page number 62. What do you need to know? Proving your method works means that you do not have to test every single food item each time you make it, and it gives you confidence that you are doing the right things to prevent or kill bugs. Once you have a proven method, you will not need to measure every item every time. Instead, you or your staff will need to check food made following your proven method weekly to confirm your method still works. If you or your staff make or cook food following any of the cards below, you can prove your method works every time. Cooking poultry, minced meat and liver. Using water activity to control bugs. Using acid to control bugs. Hot smoking to control bugs. Making sushi. Making Chinese-style roast duck. Cooking using sous vide. If you or your staff cool freshly cooked food or reheat food, you can prove your method works every time. What do you need to do? Identify the methods you will prove. You will need to complete your plan by ticking which ones you and your staff will use. Cooking poultry, minced meat and liver. Using water activity to control bugs. Using acid to control bugs. Hot smoking to control bugs. Making sushi. Making Chinese-style roast duck. Cooking using sous vide. Cooling freshly cooked food. Reheating food. You and your staff must use the same equipment, process and ingredients, for example, type, weight, size, vinegar solution and so on, for the method you are using every time you make the food. Make or cook the food, cooking equipment using the standard procedure from the relevant card. Test the food, cooking equipment to make sure it is meeting the required limits, for example. Poultry and minced meat products are cooked to 75 degrees Celsius for at least 30 seconds. The pH of acidified rice for sushi is between 4.3 and 3.0. Water bath is at the correct temperature for sous vide. Check your method works 3 consecutive times with different batches of the same food to prove that your controls are achieving safe and suitable food. If any of your 3 checks shows that your method does not work, you must redesign your method until you achieve 3 consecutive successful checks. Once proven, you must check that your method still works by checking one batch of the food weekly. What do you need to show? Show your verifier how you and your staff have proven your method. Show your verifier records of your method. Your weekly batch checks.